In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to make a clan in Brawlhalla on the Xbox and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, clans were a feature introduced to Brawlhalla years ago. Clans allow you to join you and your friends or other people with similar interests, and you will be able to play together regularly, organize matches in little tournaments, and it is an overall great way to have a small community inside of Brawlhalla. Of course, my account is low level, I am a noob, so I won't even be able to demonstrate how the process of starting a clan looks. However, it seems like this feature is only available on PC, even though you can find the clan button on consoles. When you go over to the clan option, it is just going to tell you that they are offline or unavailable. So as of today, are they really not available for consoles? Are clans exclusive to PC, or do you have to go somewhere hidden to find the option? Sadly, as it stands today, even though it has been years ever since clans were introduced to the game, they are still unavailable for the console releases of Brawlhalla. For whatever reason, they never bothered to reintroduce clans on the console releases of the game. Because of this, it is impossible to make and join clans in Brawlhalla if you play exclusively on an Xbox or any other console. As it stands today, you can only create and manage clans if you are on PC. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of clans, and I want to present an alternative. Most clans are aware of this limitation, and they aren't against recruiting console players. To circumvent this, most of them just invite you to a Discord instead. So if you still want to join a Brawlhalla clan, the best option that you have is to find one that recruits through Discord instead of inside of the game. Even if you play on console, as long as they have a Discord server set up and you join through the Discord server, you will be good to go. Most of them adjusted because they noticed that the developers didn't bother with setting up clans, so this is going to be the best alternative for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a clan in Brawlhalla on Xbox. If this video answered any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.